Hi everyone, Rory Neary from Data Spinners here. Today we are going to embed PowerApps into Power BI. It's going to be easier for me to just show you what I'm talking about rather than just give you the description. So I am going to jump onto my Power BI report here. I am going to go to the marketplace and I'm going to search for the PowerApps visual. So Power Apps, I'll put Power App. There we are. Add it in. Rightio. Import it in. Click the OK button. I'm going to make that a bit bigger. It's a slightly peculiar visual because you don't really do anything. You just drag anything into here, and then it starts asking you, well, what do you want to do? And then you choose the app that you're looking to do. And in this case, you want to do the Gartner one. We click on that, and then okay. So it's not happy with us doing it from desktop, but that's fine anyway. It does what we need. And that is us pretty well done here. So I'm just going to go full screen on that. Yeah, click new item. Wonderful. So that is going to work an absolute treat. So we are now going to publish this up to the service. Hit publish, save, and I put it into products, and it's just going to overwrite that, replace it. Okay, that's done. We can jump onto the web to have a look at that Power BI report, which will fire up any second now. And this should mean that I've got a really nice way of editing my data here, because obviously you can see that we've got only Microsoft on here. So let's go and put one of the competitors on. Off it pops. I'm going to go full screen on that, and I'm going to go new item. It's still 2014. To be fair, it's a bit on the small side, and I'm going to go full screen on this, see if I can get a bit more real estate. It's okay, and then I'm just going to say who I'm going to do. I'm going to do Tableau, and their vision was a sort of a 1.3-ish, and their execution is more like the sort of 1.55. And hit the submit button, and we'll pop a couple more in. Go new item, let's do 2015. What I'm just going to whiz through this, so I'm going to stay silent for a second. We'll go top speed on this. Okay, so we're all done. We're going to go back to the report. That means we've done all the things that we need to do. I am not going to be going full screen anymore. I'm just going to jump down to the dataset down here, and I'm going to refresh it now, and it'll go off and get the data from Tableau. Oh, sorry, from the SharePoint list. Although curiously, it hasn't actually done anything at this point in time. I think I've need to refresh the page so it's all nice and happy. Woohoo! So there we have it. And if we actually click on Tableau, we can actually see the direction it's taken. Now, this looks a bit strange because it looks like there's an error on the data there. That's just something for me to fix at a later date anyway. But you can see that we can see that the direction of travel of you can actually see Microsoft. That's really cool. Tableau, not quite so cool because it's gone a bit wrong somewhere along the line. So I'll just have to fix that. So I hope you've found that interesting. What I'll be doing in the meantime is fleshing this whole thing out so we've got a few more competitors, so that when we hit the play button, it's a bit more interesting. Yeah, and that's okay. Thanks, guys. All right then, and give us please like, please share, all that sort of thing. Thanks very much. Cheers. Bye.